Hey guys! Hello and welcome to the Automation School, your #1 source of everything there is to know about the wonderful world of YouTube automation, brought to you by experts in the field so that you can set up your very own cash cow YouTube channel. Welcome to our latest video where we will be exploring how you can use Notion to help streamline and automate various aspects of your YouTube business. As a creator, you probably already know that running a successful YouTube channel requires a lot of effort. From creating and uploading content to managing your workflow, audience engagement, and collaborations. Notion is a powerful productivity and organization tool that can help you simplify your work and achieve your goals in a more efficient manner. So, if you're looking for a solution to help manage your YouTube business and take it to the next level, this video is for you. Let's dive in and discover the magic of Notion for YouTube automation. The first way to use Notion for your YouTube automation business is by creating a content calendar. Keeping track of your planned videos, recording schedule, and deadlines can be a daunting task, especially as your channel grows. However, with Notion, you can easily create a comprehensive content calendar that allows you to stay organized and on top of your schedule. You can add details about each video, such as the topic, recording date, deadline for editing and uploading, and any other relevant information. Having all this information in one place can help you keep track of your progress and ensure you're consistently uploading new content to your channel. A content calendar can also help you plan and make sure you're creating videos that align with your goals and target audience. For example, you can use the calendar to plan out holiday-themed videos or to make sure you have a mix of informational and entertaining content. With Notion's flexible formatting options, you can customize your content calendar to meet your specific needs. For example, you can add images, links, and even embedded videos to make your calendar more visually appealing and user-friendly. Using Notion for your content calendar can also help you stay accountable and on track with your upload schedule. You can set reminders for yourself to record and edit your videos, and even share your calendar with your team or collaborators to keep everyone on the same page. With Notion's collaboration features, multiple people can access the same calendar and make updates in real time, which can be particularly useful for larger teams or channels. The first step in creating a successful YouTube video is planning and outlining your content. Notion offers a platform where you can easily brainstorm video ideas, research topics, and write scripts. This makes it easier to keep all of your thoughts in one place and ensures that you never miss a step in the video creation process. By using Notion to plan your videos, you can create a roadmap for your content and stay organized throughout the entire process. Once you have a clear idea of what you want to cover in your videos, you can use Notion to keep track of any resources that you need to make your vision a reality. For example, you may need to find the perfect music track or some stock footage to use in your videos. Notion allows you to add these items to your to-do list, so you never forget to include them when you're ready to start filming. This helps ensure that your videos are polished and professional, and that you have all of the resources you need to make your videos stand out. In addition to keeping track of resources, Notion can also help you manage your workflow as you create your videos. For example, you can use Notion to keep track of deadlines and to make sure that you're on schedule with your content creation. You can also use Notion to collaborate with team members, such as videographers or editors, to ensure that everyone is on the same page. By streamlining your video planning and production process, Notion can help you create high-quality videos that are both effective and efficient. The video editing process is a crucial step in producing quality content for your YouTube channel. With Notion, you can track the progress of your video editing and stay organized by keeping notes on any changes you need to make. This helps ensure that you don't miss any important details and helps you work more efficiently. Notion provides an easy-to-use interface for keeping track of your video editing process, allowing you to see at a glance what needs to be done, what's in progress, and what has been completed. This helps you stay on top of things and ensures that you meet your deadlines. In addition, you can store the final edited video files and related assets in Notion, making it easy to access them whenever you need them. By using Notion to manage your video editing process, you can take your YouTube business to the next level. You'll have more time to focus on creating quality content, and you'll be able to work more efficiently and effectively. This will not only help you save time, but it will also help you produce better content for your audience. So, if you're looking for a way to streamline your video editing process, give Notion a try and see the difference it can make for your YouTube business. Analytics tracking is an essential part of running a successful YouTube channel. It helps you understand how your videos are performing and what your audience is interested in. With Notion, you can easily track your YouTube analytics and performance metrics, such as views, likes, and subscribers. This allows you to see how your videos are performing and make informed decisions about future content. Notion provides a flexible platform for tracking your analytics. You can create custom databases to store data from your YouTube channel and track metrics that are important to you. For example, you can create a database for each video and track the number of views, likes, and subscribers it receives. You can also track other important metrics such as engagement rate, watch time, and click-through rate. With Notion, you can keep all of your data in one place, making it easy to analyze and compare performance over time. Tracking your analytics with Notion allows you to make data-driven decisions about your YouTube channel. You can use the insights you gather to identify what's working well and what needs improvement. For example, you can see which videos are getting the most views and focus on creating similar content. You can also see which videos are not performing well and make changes to improve their performance. With Notion, you have all the information you need to make informed decisions about your YouTube channel, which can help you achieve your goals and grow your audience. Collaboration is a key aspect of any YouTube business, and Notion provides a powerful platform for teams to work together on projects and tasks. With Notion, you can easily delegate tasks to team members and track their progress, ensuring that everyone is on the same page and working towards the same goals. Notion also allows you to easily share important documents and information with your team, which can be a real game changer when it comes to streamlining your workflow. Whether you're working with an in-house team or with remote freelancers, Notion can help you stay organized and keep everyone on the same page. One of the best things about Notion is its versatility, and this is especially true when it comes to collaboration. You can use Notion to create a shared workspace for your team, where everyone can access important information and communicate with one another. This can help you keep your work organized and prevent misunderstandings, which are all too common in the fast-paced world of YouTube business. Whether you're working on a new video idea, coordinating with a brand for a sponsored video, or simply keeping track of important deadlines, Notion makes it easy for your team to work together efficiently. Finally, Notion's document and information sharing capabilities are a real game changer when it comes to collaboration. With Notion, you can store important documents and information in a centralized location where your team can easily access them. This can help you save time and minimize the risk of important information getting lost or forgotten. Whether you're storing contracts, financial records, or creative assets, Notion makes it easy to keep your information organized and accessible to everyone on your team. So, if you're looking for a powerful platform to help you collaborate effectively with your team, Notion is definitely worth exploring. In conclusion, Notion is a powerful tool for YouTube automation that can help streamline various aspects of your YouTube business, from content creation to analytics tracking. With its flexibility, easy-to-use interface, and collaboration features, Notion can help you stay organized, meet deadlines, and produce high-quality content for your audience. By using Notion to manage your content calendar, video planning, video editing, and analytics tracking, you can take your YouTube business to the next level and achieve your goals in a more efficient and effective manner. Until next time, see you later, automators.